Apparently, one of my cables popped off. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JJ. We're riding with the Rutledges. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm actually at the post office right now. Just dropped my first load off. I'm headed to Barnwell, South Carolina. This trip is less than 95 miles, man, total. And it's paying a little over $400. So, you know, something easy, something slight, nothing too crazy. Like I said, hopefully y'all can hear me over the truck, man. I couldn't get no footage of me loading it because it was too hectic in Amazon today, man. I had a bunch of stuff like an overflow, all that type of stuff. But as you can see, these aren't all my packages. There are a few from like a couple other loads. But the only time you leave packages outside of a post office is if it's ROC approved. Meaning you call ROC, you verify that it's okay to leave the stuff out. And if they say it's okay, then cool, you can leave it. Otherwise, they'll tell you that you have to wait until they show up in order for you to drop the packages off. So that's just a little bit of advice for you, because you don't want to just be leaving them out at random post offices. But anyway, I'm about to hop back in this truck because I got what, 1 or 2 more stops left. So come along for the ride. All right, folks. I'm at my second location here, as you can see. I'm about to go ahead and drop off. I only got 1 pallet, and that's it. But how about this? Upon arrival, I'm looking at the back of my truck here, and apparently one of my cables popped off. It's one of the cables to my door, my little sliding door here. I think I'm actually still able to open it, so let's find out on camera, shall we? So yes, it did open. It's just a little bit more difficult to open. So I need to get that fixed ASAP. So anyway, put that on the list. But luckily the door still opens. But as you can see, this is actually the only pallet I got to take off here. But this is one of the post offices that does not have a dock. So you got to use the lift gate. Now that I know my door opens, I can get down and do that. I don't think I ever asked this, man. Why don't y'all put in the comments and let me know where everybody from? Y'all can see me go to work. All right, man, so we got that strapped up. It was actually a full truck today. That first stop that I had, I dropped off, I think that was what, I think I dropped off 6 pallets at that first one. But anyways, man, look, y'all know me, I like to get in and get out. Today wasn't one of them situations. It was like they had my pallets everywhere when I first got to Amazon. So, you know, I had to go pick up some stuff in overflow, pick up the stuff on my regular aisle, and then go to another lane to pick up something. So it's all good, man. But the main thing is, don't get in there and waste time, man. Once you figure out where your stuff at, go get it, put it in your truck, and keep it moving. All right. As you can see, I got 3 pallets left. About to head to Barnwell, South Carolina. This one I know for a fact has a dock. This was actually Barnwell, South Carolina. Not this exact route, but Barnwell, South Carolina was the second load I ever did, and I did it by myself. And man, it was that was a doozy, because I believe there were like 6 stops on that one, or 5 stops. There were 5 stops on that route, and oh my God. Hey, I'm just glad I made that one out alive. I knew what I was doing, but I'm not even, no, don't let me lie. I got it, like I knew what I was doing for the most part, but then, like, you know, when you get to certain situations where things like this, where there's no dock, you're like, oh my gosh, do I leave it out? Do I call ROC? ROC hasn't called me back in 10 minutes, so you're overreacting. Look, man, you just gotta breathe in, breathe out. Trust. Hey, look, man, watch my YouTube videos on how to run a successful Amazon relay load, bro. Once you watch that, you can rest easy and everything gonna go all right. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, y'all, so I actually just got through dropping off that Barnwell load. There was a guy already there just waiting to do some work. So as soon as I got there, I just dropped it. He put it inside, so I didn't get a chance to record that. So I'm actually about to go ahead and check out the load board, see what they got on there, see if I can catch something headed back toward my house. If not, it's all good. You know, just gonna relax until I got a couple consultations later today. I'm looking forward to that. You know, helping people out, helping people strategize, man. That's what it's all about, man. You just gotta, you know, give back to the people. I'm a man of the people. I already say that. But yeah, man, that's it. I know today wasn't too eventful. Besides that little my wire that popped off my door back there. I'm pretty sure that happens from me hitting a pothole or something. And you know, the door maybe, you know, going up and down a little bit. I'm gonna have to check the other one, make sure it's all right, but it's all good, man. You know, that's nothing about a $20-25 fix, so nothing too major. But that's about it, man. I don't know if this is the end of the video, but if it is, wow. Shout out to, I want to say his name was Dre. He came up to me today at AGS5, was like, hey bro, don't you got a YouTube channel? Man, it's crazy, boy. I'm telling you, man, that blows my mind every time somebody asks me that. It's amazing. But shout out to you, bro. Hope you had a successful trip out there.